Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account tied to the subscription because fixes hinge on correct identity. Sign in at account. Microsoft. Com and check services and subscriptions. Once signed in, note the subscription name and billing date. Make sure your payment method is current, update card or PayPal details if expired, and remove any duplicate methods. If you're using a work or school account, contact your admin early. These actions let you proceed without surprises and prepare for the next, more technical steps. Once billing and account identity are set, resolve activation by retrying the charge or adding a fresh payment method and selecting Renew Now. If Office apps show unlicensed, sign out from all Office apps, then sign back in. Reinstall Office if activation persists. On Windows, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or Activation Troubleshooter to sweep config issues. For organizational subscriptions, make sure the license is assigned in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. These steps fix most mid-process failures and clarify whether the problem is billing or activation. Finish by verifying that Office apps report an active Microsoft 365 license and that web services load normally. Sign in to Outlook, Word, and OneDrive to confirm sync. If web sign-in or activation still fails, clear stored credentials in Windows Credential Manager and remove browser cache, then try again. As a last resort, gather the subscription ID and recent transaction details, then contact Microsoft Support for account-level investigation. One key tip: keep screenshots of error messages and transaction receipts. They speed resolution when support intervenes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.